In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Now tap on alarm at the bottom left corner and click on this plus at the bottom in the middle to add a new one. Now you can adjust it however you want to. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then hit repeat to pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. When you finished, select OK. Now it's time to click on sound and click on the vibration section at the top. Here you can pick synchronized option, select none, or apply one of those vibration patterns by clicking on the best one for you. Whatever you decided, when you finished, go back and click on music on this device. If you want to pick a song from your smartphone and apply it, just click on it and go back again. You can also pick one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one. Go back, click on label and name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Save its name by hitting OK. And tap on ring duration. Now you need to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Then hit snooze duration and decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat by operating those two sliders. When you finished, select OK. Now to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you want to turn it on or off, use the switcher next to it and pick the best option in the pop-up. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and to discard your changes, select this X on the left. To save them, tap on checkmark on the right. To get rid of your alarm, click on it again and select the delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!